अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं एसएस न्यूज़। मैं हूं अंजुम। आइए देखते हैं खबरनामा।
नमस्कार मित्रों, आज हम यहाँ WHO की ग्लोबल समिट है जो ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन पर है, उसकी सेकेंड समिट के लिए यहाँ उसकी कर्टन रेजर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के अवसर पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। इस बारे में आपसे विस्तृत जानकारी साझा करने के लिए हमारे साथ मंच पर उपस्थित हैं माननीय आयुष राज्य मंत्री स्वतंत्र प्रभार तथा स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण राज्य मंत्री श्री प्रताप राव जाधव जी। मैं मंत्री महोदय का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। साथ ही हमारे साथ सचिव आयुष श्री वैद्य राजेश कोटेचा जी हैं, आपका भी हार्दिक स्वागत है सर। रीजनल डायरेक्टर एमेरिटस WHO साउथ ईस्ट एशिया रीजन डॉक्टर पूनम खेत्रपाल जी, संयुक्त सचिव आयुष मंत्रालय सुश्री मोनालिसा दास जी, संयुक्त सचिव आयुष मंत्रालय अलर मेल मंगई जी तथा उप महानिदेशक आयुष मंत्रालय श्री सत्यजीत पॉल जी भी हमारे साथ उपस्थित हैं। मैं आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज के कार्यक्रम का प्रारंभ हम एक वीडियो के साथ करेंगे। सबसे पहले जिसका टाइटल है द वर्ल्ड रीयूनाइट्स इन इंडिया, क्वेस्ट फॉर ग्लोबल वेलनेस कंटिन्यूज। सो रिक्वेस्ट टू रन द वीडियो प्लीज।
The world is moving forward faster than ever. Technology and innovation are advancing every day. But people everywhere are seeking something just as important: balance and well-being. In this global surge, India offers a bridge connecting ancient wisdom with modern science. Welcome to the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine. Welcome to India, proudly co-hosting this historic summit. Co-organized by the World Health Organization, together with its Global Traditional Medicine Center, Jamnagar, and the Ministry of Ayush, to foster international cooperation.
दुनिया के ज्यादा से ज्यादा देशों के एक्सपर्ट चिंतन करें, अपनी पद्धतियों को साझा करें।
For thousands of years, India's traditional systems, Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Sowa Rigpa, have supported harmony of body, mind, spirit, and nature. Today, this rich heritage is helping shape a new global movement. Countries and communities from Asia, Africa, Europe, the Americas, and the Pacific are joining together. Researchers, policymakers, innovators, industry leaders, and practitioners are coming forward to build stronger partnerships and shared solutions for the future of traditional medicine.
साथियों, आयुष के क्षेत्र में इन्वेस्टमेंट और इनोवेशन की संभावनाएं असीमित है।
With support from international institutions, including the World Health Organization, this platform strengthens cooperation and global action. As research expands, digital and AI technologies improve evidence and wellness markets grow. New opportunities are emerging for startups, investors, educators, and healthcare providers to develop trusted, evidence-based solutions that benefit people everywhere. With the vision of Ayush, India supports this global journey. Welcome to a new era of traditional medicine. The future begins here. Second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine at Bharat Mandapam, 17 to 19 December 2025.
थैंक यू। अब मैं संयुक्त सचिव आयुष मंत्रालय सुश्री मोनालिसा दास जी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वे प्रेजेंटेशन प्रस्तुत करें।
Honorable Sri Pratap Rao Jadhav ji, Honorable Ministry of State, Independent Charge Ministry of Ayush, respected dignitaries present on the dais, Today is the curtain raiser press conference for the second Global Summit on Traditional Medicine. The second Global Summit, this Ministry of Ayush, in collaboration with GTMC WHO, jointly it is co-hosting this second Global Summit, which is planned for 17th to 19th of December. The theme for this year is Restoring Balance, the Science and Practice of Health and Well-being. Coming to the highlights, there are many activities. I will touch upon only the basic highlights. Field visits. For the participants on 17, we are planning field visits where they will be taken to the premier institutes of Ayush like All India Institute of Ayurveda, NIUM, MDNIY, which is located in the central Delhi, and this program is curated in coordination with WHO. Similarly, Ayush Expo. Expo in general by WHO is also planned. Ayush Expo is one part of that. And there an experiential showcase integrating digital tools, AI and innovation in Ayush systems will be presented. Similarly, the bilateral discussions, which I will be telling in details, we are expecting more than 20 countries to come and participate in the bilateral discussions. And Ashwagandha side events also we have planned. The revered Ayush product Ashwagandha, as it is known to all of you, to promote the evidence-based integration of Ashwagandha into the global health and wellness system, we have curated this special program. And next is the closing ceremony, that is on 19th, where we have invited Honorable Sri Narendra Modi ji, so our Honorable Prime Minister. So, Honorable Prime Minister, in the presence of DG WHO, this program will be organized.